welcome back to Sync with Sarah. I am so excited for today's video. I have been thinking about this video for so long, and I also started working on it a while ago. It's more like I never got to the editing process, and I have been getting texts every single day from my friends to get done with the editing. So here we are. And basically, I made a very similar video last year, but it was about what 10th graders have to say about 10th boards. So I thought I will make a similar video more for people, I guess, who are entering 11th or haven't decided which stream to pick, or 11th graders who just want to see what the fellow 11thers have to say about 11th grade. And this video is really fun. It's really interesting. I loved editing it, and also in general I feel like 11th grade is really not talked about enough. People talk about 10th boards, people talk about 12th boards, but nobody really gives you advice about 11th grade. So that is what I'm here for. Also, before we begin, I would just like to thank all my amazing friends who agreed to do this with me, and also those who were the audience while I took the interviews. And I have so many other friends who are not a part of this video, but you guys will be my next victims. So without further ado, let's just get started.
Hi, I'm the owner of this channel, y'all.
Your name?
Oh, I'm Sarah. I have taken commerce along with applied maths.
Hi, Vanshita this side, and I'm an art student.
Hi, I'm Shivangi and I'm from the PCB stream.
Hi, I'm Jolene and I'm from arts. Suffering.
I'm Soumya Singh from class 11th commerce stream and I've taken IP as my additional subject.
I am Ashia and I have taken the science stream and my fifth subject is PHE.
I'm Kelly and I've taken commerce and my fifth subject is IT.
This is Priyanshi. I have taken arts with economics.
This is me, Rashib Mishra. I have chosen commerce for my 11th standard with maths.
Like someday I'll study for 10 hours, 15 hours, but the other day it'll be like 2 hours, 3 hours or no study at all.
I believe in quality education.
Honest, some days I don't study at all, but I try to study for 2 to 3 hours, which is very rare, but yeah.
Normal days, 0. Exam days, 8 hours. 9 hours, 10 hours.
Acha.
So I gave half an hour to 45 minutes for revision of whatever was taught in school that day, and 1 hour or something to homework. Self-study rarely on the weekend, that's it.
They are great to it. They are also arts.
They are also not. That is why they agreed.
But my dad was like, take arts. I don't know, make it make sense. I know, right? I'm happy with commerce, they supported me.
No, I decided to take PCB on my own, but my mother would have preferred if I took PCM, but I ended up taking PCB.
My parents were quite open to all the options. They gave me all the freedom to choose according to my likings, my passions, my interests. So I chose what appealed to me the most, and it had maths in it. So brown parents approved because maths.
Can I say English? I like BST. I enjoy BST a lot. Then I also like Eco a lot because I just happen to do well. It's not the best subject, but I enjoy it.
I like PHE the most and I dislike physics the most.
Okay, for reference, what is PHE?
PHE is physical education.
So you don't like any subject in specific? Acha, theek hai. Dislike something? Maths. Okay.
I love political science, and the one which I dislike would be economics, which is the fifth subject.
I dislike chemistry the most, and I think if I had to choose bio and English are fine.
I love business studies because I actually got into commerce to know about how business works. I actually don't mind any. Maybe eco. Kind of annoying.
Yes.
No, I don't take any coaching, and I don't think it's necessary to take any coaching in 11th grade.
Yes, I do.
No,
Do you think your stream needs coaching or tuition?
not necessarily.
Coaching?
Yes. नहीं. Teachers हमारे vlogs देखते हैं क्या?
नहीं.
In my opinion, again, if you're doing like CLAT or UPS or CUET preparation, then I would say go for coaching, But if you are interested in studying about a particular subject more in more detail, then go for tuition, personal tutor, and all that scene.
I would say if you have access to tuition, I would totally recommend that, because there you can really like get into the root and understand
Coaching. It's fun.
Coaching all the way.
Okay, why?
Because it's just so much better. Because school mein you don't study at all, and you need a support system, and you know, एक pressure चाहिए ऊपर से. For that, coaching is the key.
The teachers like in our school are amazing, and if you listen to them and don't bunk classes then you'll be able to score pretty good.
I take tuitions, and I also think tuitions are better if you have the facility for it, of course. I just feel for commerce, you don't have the best coachings which are, you know, very serious about studying, like you'd find in science, Akash, Alan.
Coaching, because you get the rough idea of how a large scale competition takes place.
If you want to concentrate more on your studies, tuitions are preferable, but coachings definitely give you a wide exposure.
Wide exposure. Okay.
You guys are my after school activities. So I film YouTube videos when I'm free. Except for that, on a weekday, I don't have any time.
I do take guitar classes. Twice a week. Guitar classes.
Cooking is one thing I enjoy.
It includes watching YouTube and all that, then yeah. And skincare. I love doing skincare. So there is time for that, no matter what.
You do skincare?
Yeah, I do skincare.
सीखते तो नहीं हैं, but करते हैं. ठीक है. I'm riding a roller coaster ride. 11th gifted me a roller coaster. I'm still riding on it. Oh.
No, I have really no time, but if I had, I would really want to write editorial stories, speeches, anything similar to that.
I like to do art, I do baking, I do some writing from time to time. Just I spread out my time. Music, of course. I don't make music, I listen to it.
एक साल बाद यही क्वेश्चन पूछना बेहतर होगा, बट नहीं.
Honestly, I have no idea, but what I have learned from my sister, I'm interested in pursuing history and political science for now. Hopefully.
Every commerce student wants to get into SRCC, St. Stephen's. So that's the goal.
No, not yet. Not yet? I'm still exploring, and for colleges, I have planned and looked up colleges outside Bihar because I'm bored in being Bihar. I want to explore another place after staying here for 17 years.
I might end up a criminal for who knows. Any college decided. ये तो पता है यार. SRCC aim.
SRCC नहीं होगा.
And everyone like who's appearing for NEET would like to go to AIMS, but I would not say AIMS, but somewhere in Delhi.
I took arts because of psychology, and probably I'll continue that in future. The best colleges for law are in Bangalore and Delhi. I'm not getting my hopes high, and I know I won't get into any of those colleges. But if उम्मीद पे दुनिया जा रही है, उम्मीद पे दुनिया जा रही है.
Job.
That was a good reaction.
I'm still contemplating, and I get distracted and diverted.
Go towards more hotel management, which I know isn't that related to commerce. Like I said, I just took commerce because I liked the subjects. But we'll see how it goes. Something in that route.
If I am very blessed, I'll go for MBBS if I get the government college seat, and if not, I'll go for pharmaceuticals or psychology.
Keeping it private until it's permanent.
Dream job would be a chef.
I do have a dream job, but I don't know how am I supposed to pursue it. Well, it's related to the army.
Okay, so you will do some research on it.
Yes, a lot has yet to be done. Research is yet to be done.
My weekends are like Lay's ka packet खुलते ही खत्म, so there's nothing.
Wow. Backlogs. A little. Like मोबाइल तो थोड़ा ज़्यादा. अब बहुत अच्छे से मोबाइल चलाते हैं उस दिन. और बस हाँ ऐसे टाइम पास में पूरा दिन.
Sleeping, watching movies.
Probably sleeping or covering up the notes that is pending. That's all.
Sleep half of the day and then waste the rest.
I sleep. I scroll on Instagram, and mostly on the next week we got submissions and tests, so I mostly study for that. सोना ही है बस जिंदगी में.
Go with what you want to do not go with what your parents want you to do. Trust me, they're gonna get over it within 6 months.
See, you guys worry for 10th ke boards, but instead, I mean, the actual thing is you should worry for 11th because it will destroy you, like completely. अंदर से soul बिल्कुल आपकी टूट जाएगी 11th में आके.
That is some great motivation.
Yes.
I mean, I know it's especially difficult to do well in science, but no matter what you've taken, just do your best.
I know it might sound overwhelming and it might seem overwhelming when you enter class 11 because of the subject and all these things which are so elaborate and detailed. But let me tell you that you can do it. Take one step at a time and you will enjoy it.
Don't think you will study in 12th. थोड़ा सा पढ़ लेना 11th में भी. Stay consistent and enjoy करो यार.
Don't overthink it, especially 11th. Try to enjoy life because it's not that important. It's gonna be fine.
Enjoy 11th grade. It's apparently supposed to be the like best year of school, right? So make that happen. I definitely did not.
And also do all the activities, academic, cultural activities and all those activities that you haven't done so far because of studies. Do it in class 11th. You will not regret it.
Because in your 11th standard also, it's not only the time for enjoyment, so that you don't have a lot of pressure during exams, because I did not sleep the entire night for today's exam.
You know, have fun with your friends, go out, do as much as you can in 11th, because in 12th it's obviously going to be harder. I'm scared of it myself.
Okay. Bro, she said 10-15 hours.
हो जाता है.
UPSC aspirant हो क्या भाई?
I'm just in 11th. I'm just a baby.
I'm from the PCM stream and my
PCB.
In 11th grade, you do not have free time. So you are saying you have free time.
I mean, I don't study, so maybe computer people.
Yeah, computer people. You're right. It is the IP people because the maths people have to practice all the time. So it's the IP people who are free.
I have chosen commerce for my 11th standard with maths,
With maths. Okay.
which was the biggest regret.
How do you spend your weekend?
So first of all, we don't get weekend. We get Sunday half.
Best colleges for law are in Bangalore and Delhi.
For?
Law.
Okay. How do you do it? क्या jokes मार रही है ये? सोच रही हूँ BSc की जगह ये सब prepare किया है.
हाँ, मेरे भी दिमाग को प्रोसेस करने में टाइम लगा.
Dream job would be a chef.
Okay. So like Monica Geller.
You know, I want a better life than her.
She had a pretty good life, bro.
She had an okay life, a small apartment.
You want the poor people's job, but not to be poor. I'm kidding. I don't want to get cancelled.
That brings us to the end of this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it helped many. I hope it was relatable to many. Share it with your fellow 11thers. Share it to people who are entering grade 11th. And if you did like the video, then like, share, subscribe and comment. Many more coming your way. So see you later. Bye.